Hello madam, my name is Görkem Kemal Şahin. My pair is Yasin Uslu. I will take about this image. He is President Obama. Obama is USA President. They are a little girl. A few people on back of Obama police officers and police car photographers. Then there are don't enter board. Yes. It is important. I know people, officers, have to protect Obama. Everyone follows you, and being a president is difficult. President Obama is looking very cool. He wears sunglasses. He is walking with the girl. The photographer is taking a few photo. I think they will go to meeting. Maybe they will go out for have funny time with little girl. Um, Maybe this little girl is immigrant and she is Obama child. Maybe she is parentless. I don't know who she is. I talked about this image. Have a nice day. Goodbye.